You know, someone has likened this life as a ship on a sea, and seas are so turbulent, they are unpredictable, just like life. And if we are on this sea, such as a sailboat, we have to make adjustments based on the circumstances that we encounter. Just last week, I have been involved with families that a husband, a father, a grandfather left so quickly, so suddenly, and because of that, adjustments have to be made. You know, winds come in different directions. They're sometimes they're this direction, sometimes the polar opposite direction. They come in different speeds. Sometimes the weather is good, sometimes the weather is not so good. But irregardless, as we encounter it, we have to make adjustments. And until then, that beautiful day that we will harbor in a place never to sail again, then that's exactly what we do, because this life is a journey. Proverbs 27:1 says, "Boast not for tomorrow, for thou knowest not what a day brings." We don't know what's going to happen today or tomorrow or next week or next year. But God is with us, and we make adjustments, and we listen to his voice, because he won't let us drown. He won't let us sink until we get safely home. God bless you.